Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Learn to control type 2 diabetes. In this video we are going to give you the perfect Halki Diabetes Remedy benefits. For purchase Halki Diabetes Remedy product, so click on link in the description. Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Diabetes is one of the worst diseases that drastically hinder people's health. Most people have high blood sugar, which often leads to the assessment of type 2 diabetes. If you are looking for a natural remedy, this is the best choice for maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an effective way to cure diabetes. This program has already helped 293 people to prevent, stop and change the symptoms of diabetes. It has been specially designed for people with type 2 diabetes and offers them continuous treatment. However, the symptoms can be removed within a few weeks. It gives recipes that protect you against insulin resistance and diabetes. It contains 8 powerful antioxidants that help change the state of diabetes. This program reduces blood sugar levels and results in the return of type 2 diabetes without medicine. It can help to restore well-being and health. Who is the creator of Halki Diabetes Remedy? Eric Whitfield is the creator of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. He is an iron worker who lives in Owego, New York. He was inspired to create this guide after his wife almost died from type 2 diabetes. After not getting any noticeable results from the doctors who were supposed to help his wife, he took matters into his own hands. Whitfield began researching the condition and discovered a number of interesting things. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? Halki Diabetes Remedy will be given as one ebook including helpful information about type 2 diabetes, useful recipes to stay healthy, the 21 meal plan and various diabetes reversing plans. You have restored to normal strategies and can live a healthy life. It is a scientifically proven program that protects against type 2 diabetes and improves insulin resistance. This program provides 21-day video for 60 seconds and eliminates diabetes damage. It is a great program, includes a number of useful tips and tricks, as well as effective 1-minute methods that you can practice every day. It shows the secret of natural protocol technology to save your lives. It will get back lean and painless for the rest of your life. How does Halki Diabetes Remedy works? Halki Diabetes Remedy is a powerful protocol for heal type 2 diabetes with a combination of 8 vitamins and nutrients. This will remove harmful toxins from the body. All recipes of this program come from the diet of the small Greek island called Halki, where people preferred tasting foods that prevent insulin resistance. Only within 21 days of using this protocol will you reduce overweight and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. It contains all the recipes for healthy eating that you need to keep up with your day-to-day activities so you can control your diabetes and lose weight in less than a month. Finally, you get a slim and flat body shape to feel amazing results. Benefits of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21-day protocol that helps you learn about the strength of healthy food. You will also learn about the real cause of type 2 diabetes and how you can protect it in the future. The whole program is based on real, scientifically tested and proven that can reduce type 2 diabetes like never before. It improves heart, brain, energy levels and much more to develop your health. You will be able to burn body fat, maintain unhealthy sugar cravings and control healthy body mass. It is a complete program that gives the best and easiest way to clean away all toxins from the body. Halki Diabetes Remedy program helps balance hormones in the body and control health. It is completely safe and effective and low costs that are available to everyone. This program takes only 60 seconds to change your body and health. It contains special recipes from the Greek island of Halki that prevent insulin resistance. This protocol included step-by-step instruction are easy to understand as well as implement. It is a scientifically proven method and simple instructions to follow to reduce your diabetes. This product provides a money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. Bonus 1. Relaxed mind, healthy body 2. The energy multiplier 3. Achieve your goals. Cons: it is only available online. You cannot find this any local stores. If you want to get good and effective results, you must follow the instruction regularly. Conclusion: Halki Diabetes Remedy program that shows you all simple and effective that you can use to permanently eliminate your diabetes. It contains all possible nutrients and vitamins that your body needs to have to prevent you from insulin resistance. You will see a big change in your health and you have significantly reduced your blood sugar level. You do not have to follow the exercises, medications or diets. With this program, you can become healthier, younger, happier and more energy than ever before. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. Since there is nothing to lose, get it before the offer ends. For purchase Halki Diabetes Remedy product, click on link in the description. Thank you for your time.